Now we demonstrate. Calling how to use the variable frequency air conditioner detector. Variable frequency air conditioner outdoor unit. First, open the outdoor unit junction box. Then connect the live wire L, neutral wiring, signal wire S correspondingly. After connecting the wires, we power the outdoor unit separately. Power supply 220 伏. After connecting the wires, now turn on the power. Wait for the detector to turn on. Because Huilan is a media foundry brand, so we choose the brand as media. OK, confirm to enter. Wait for communication. After communication, we press cool. One quick start for outdoor unit. By starting the outdoor unit separately, we can jet the fault point at the outdoor unit. Fault point. If there is no problem, we can also turn it off. The air conditioner is now turned off. The test is completed. Just turn off the power.